4 tests of strength. They're all with the barbell. We're pretty squatty in this, this contest here, so we're going to do 3 different types of squats. We're going to do overhead squat, front squat, and back squat. And then we're going to do jerks also from the rack, okay? So what I want to do is talk to you guys about the standards and talk to you about how it's going to be set up. You're going to have 20 minutes, okay, for 4 members to complete the 4 lifts. That means 5 minutes per person. That means each person only gets 5 minutes. Now, 3, 2, 1, go. When we say go, your initial attempt can be on your barbell. You do not need to start with an empty barbell, okay? Have your initial attempt on there, and then you're putting the weights on as you go. Your teammates can help as you go. Load your weights. I recommend that your teammates load your weight for you, and you're not actually loading your weights. Make sure that before you attempt a weight that it's validated with your judge what weight you have on your barbell. We don't want any issues there. Okay? So let's talk about the standards. The standards are pretty simple. The jerk, basically it's shoulder to overhead. So we're going to take any type of jerk. Okay? If there's a press out, not a big deal. Okay? You can do a split jerk, push jerk, squat jerk if you can do that. Okay? So take the bar out of the rack. Good rep. Good rep. Good enough. Okay? This is not good. That doesn't count, okay? You have to recover. Same thing here. No rep. So you have to make sure that before you have completed your attempt, you get the signal from your judge that the rep is good. Okay? So that is the jerk portion. No, you cannot go from the back rack. It is a front rack jerk. So don't ask it because you can't do it. Okay? Second event is the overhead squat. Now, we are going to allow you to do a heaving snatch balance if that's what you want to do. As long as you are landing in a full squat position and then standing up. Okay? So, what we're going to let you do, obviously, pull the bar off your rack, pop it up with a split jerk, or push jerk, whatever you want. Or push press, it doesn't matter how you get it over your head. Just get it up there, squat obviously below parallel, and then back up. Like I said, if you want to do a heaving snatch balance, that's fine too, okay? As long as you are completing the standard of going below parallel and then recovering fully at the top, okay? So, that is the overhead squat portion. 5 minutes for the jerk, 5 minutes for the overhead squat. Now I'm on to the front squat. So, front rack, obviously, same thing, break parallel, stand all the way up, bada bing. Okay, front squat. You should not do that if you're going to be competing in a competition. Same thing with a back squat. Put it on your back, unrack it, go down, all the way, stand up, all the way, and rack. So, if you are uncomfortable dumping your weight on the back squat, you're going to have 3 people at your disposal to spot you. Now, if any of your teammates touches your barbell when you're standing up, no rep. If anybody touches your torso, no rep, doesn't count. So make sure that your teammates don't steal your effort from you, okay? The only way somebody can touch either the barbell or your torso is if you are clearly going down and you're not going to make it, or else it'll be a wasted attempt. Okay? So, To review, 20 minutes, 5 minutes per person. 5 minutes for the jerk, split jerk, push jerk, squat jerk, CrossFit jerk, half jerk, push press, whatever you want to call it. Okay, 5 minutes for that. Then 5 minutes for the overhead squat. Heaving, snatch, balances are fine. 5 minutes for your front squat. 5 minutes for your back squat. You're going to take the total tonnage or poundage, whatever you want to call it, from all 4 of those lifts, and that's going to be your score. That will be a separate score from the next event.